didn't particularly like the writing in law school with all the other stuff you got to do. Although I have discovered that I do like to write. When I get into something and I find 3 hours has passed, and you're like, whoa. So, but when he says that as far as being an expert, you decide that you're going to be the expert. And you do what it takes to become knowledgeable about whatever area or issue you're going to be writing about. You'll find that once you get onto the real world, and at least in the practice area, many of the attorneys that are experts, nobody appointed them experts. You know, they are seen as experts because I think they decide that that's what they're going to do. They're going to learn everything there is to know about that issue, and in turn they get excellent results for their clients. And pretty soon the snowball starts going, and suddenly you're an expert. And so with my book, that has helped in that process. No, I did not always know I wanted to be a lawyer. In fact, in college, I got my degree in finance. So when I went to law school, which is all about writing, from a finance guy to writing, it was a huge shock, huge. And it took me probably all that first year to really know how to write. And I certainly, you know, once I got into law school and I did some things in law school that kind of pointed me to trial work. But as far as writing, no. I mean, if you would have told me in law school that I'd write a book or that I would be interested in writing and have writing opportunities presented to me about writing books or chapters and so forth, I would have said you're crazy. I would have said that's not my strong suit. But I think I do have a talent for it because I've really spent a lot of time developing it and working on it. And so to the point now where it comes more naturally and I enjoy it more. But at times it is still awfully difficult for me to write when I know I should write. You just have to force yourself. And I've read about other authors, I think it was John Grisham maybe, who forces himself to write starting at 5 a.m. to 10 a.m. every day, no matter if he's got writer's block or not. I read some story about that. And that told me how disciplined I guess you have to be successful and put out good product.